If you need to get a refund from Bluehost, the good news is that the process is usually straightforward once you know where to go and what to say. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to contact support, request cancellation, and ask for your refund in the fastest way possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account using the email and password linked to the hosting plan you want to cancel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Help or Support section. This is where Bluehost's support chat is usually available, and it's the best place to begin if you want to speak with someone directly about a refund. When the support chat opens, you'll likely see a bot or automated assistant first. Don't worry, that's normal. Type in a message asking to be connected to a live agent. You can say something simple like, "I want to speak with a support representative." Keep repeating that request if needed until the system transfers you to a real person. Once you're connected with the support agent, clearly explain that you want to cancel your hosting and request a refund. Be direct, polite, and specific. For example, you can say, "I'd like to cancel my hosting plan and request a refund if my account is eligible." Bluehost will then verify that you are the account owner, so be ready to confirm your identity or answer a few security questions. This is a normal step and it helps protect your account. After your ownership is verified, the agent may ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel the hosting plan. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. Make sure you understand that once the hosting is cancelled, your website and related data may no longer be accessible, so if you need anything backed up, take care of that first. If your plan is eligible for a refund, Bluehost will process it after the cancellation request is completed. In some cases, the refund may depend on the type of plan you purchased or how long ago you signed up, so if the agent gives you any important details, pay close attention. Once approved, the refund usually takes about 5 to 7 business days to show back up in your account, depending on your payment method and bank processing times. So if you don't see it immediately, that is completely normal. The key here is to be patient and keep an eye on your original payment account over the next few business days. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a refund from Bluehost by logging in, contacting support, requesting cancellation, and waiting for the refund to process. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.